Yoga teachers, pop on a yoga video next time you're chopping vegetables. This isn't for your practice, it's for your teaching. You can find classes with a wide range of teachers online, and you can learn something from each of them. If there's a class you especially enjoyed participating in as a student, watch it again as an observer without participating. See if you can reverse engineer what makes it special. Is it the teacher's sequencing, cueing, pacing, language, or something else? Work backward from the parts you like best to discover ways you can recreate the magic in your own classes. Here's a favorite quote of mine. The humorist Finley Peter Dunne wrote that it is the duty of newspapers to comfort the afflicted and afflict the comfortable. I love this idea. Comfort the afflicted and afflict the comfortable. And I would apply this in a very serious way to yoga teachers. I've learned a lot from watching master teachers who comfort the afflicted by reassuring students when they are confused, and who afflict the comfortable by challenging those who would benefit from it. When you watch more teachers, you'll be developing your own unique voice so you can serve your students best. If you want to see how I teach movement, click on over to my virtual studio at sageroundtree.com. There you'll see both direct-to-camera classes and a vault of live classes with students present. There's a free 7-day trial to get you started.